The coral reefs of our oceans are made up of structures created by, well, corals. Thought of as plants due to the plant-like structures that they inhabit and build, coral colonies are actually made up of hundreds or thousands of coral polyps, which are tiny animals that make structures out of calcium carbonate. There are many species of corals, but they are organized into 4 identification groups: hydrocorals, gorgonians, stony corals, and black corals. Most coral polyps don't live by themselves. They have roommates, and just like human roommates share food and bills, coral and their roommates benefit each other in a symbiotic relationship. The coral roommates are called zooxanthellae, which are a type of algae that live inside the coral polyp and produce oxygen, fats, and sugars. They can provide up to 95% of a coral polyp's food. But corals don't just bum meals off of the algae. They also have ways of getting food by themselves. The polyp has on its tentacles special stinging cells called nematocysts, which catch prey by hooking it and releasing toxins, and then bringing the food back into the stomach. A coral polyp is mostly mouth and stomach. Many coral polyps also have a layer of mucus, which draws in dissolved nutrients from the water. Then, the mucus is slid into the polyp's stomach using cilia, which are like tiny hairs. Humans have cilia too, except they're inside of our lungs, and they filter out debris instead of food. One problem threatening coral reefs and their innumerable beneficiaries is coral bleaching. Coral bleaching is a direct result of rising ocean temperatures. Algae don't like hot temperatures. And just like if a landlord turned the thermostat way up without asking, the residents would move out. And similarly, the algae move out of the coral. This process is called bleaching because with the algae gone, the coral is now left white and gray. But it isn't just an issue of lost decoration. With the algae gone, the coral have now lost their main source of food, and many die as a result. Whole reef systems can die from coral bleaching, and since coral and the reefs that they build are vital to ocean ecosystems, saying that coral bleaching is bad is a major understatement. Understanding what coral bleaching is and what corals are is a key part of understanding just how rising ocean temperatures are truly affecting the ocean's inhabitants.